Hello and welcome to this short demo video covering how to access the Google My Business Checkup tool and the Marketing Knowledge Portal. Starting with the Marketing Knowledge Portal. This online library of educational information and how-to materials has been specifically created for businesses just like yours. To access the portal, first you'll need to head to the login page URL, which is ceda.marketingknowledgeportal.com. We recommend bookmarking this in your browser window now, so you can easily come back to it later. Click on the blue button to log in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can easily create one for free by heading to accounts.google.com. Follow the prompts to complete the login process. Once logged in, you'll be taken directly to the user profile page. This is where you'll need to enter in the specific code provided to you in order to gain 12 months free access to the portal. This code is CEDA 2022. Now click the blue button to submit the access code. From there, you'll be directed to the Knowledge Portal homepage. Starting at the top, you'll see some education badges that you can earn as you progress through the portal and read more and more content. New articles and other important tips can be found under the latest updates heading. To the right, we have a menu that lists a wide range of marketing topics, from social media to search engine optimization, and even specific strategies and tactics for our hotel and accommodation providers. Once you've read through an article, mark it as complete via the green button at the end of the page to start earning your education badges. If there's a specific topic or issue you have in mind, there's also a handy search feature at the top right of each page. So that's it for the Marketing Knowledge Portal.